Hello guys, this is Akshay Daga and welcome back to AP Daga's Dumbbox, and in this video I am going to unbox this router. Okay, so basically whatever internet connection I am having right now, it was slow for me these days, so I wanted to get more speed, so I increased my net connection, but still I was getting the same speed. Then I got to know, okay, my router is older one and that router doesn't support more speed, more than 40 Mbps or something like that. And if I want to go further that, even if my internet connection is better, I am not getting that speed. So for that I wanted to buy a router. So I have searched many more routers, and these days Wi-Fi 6 is also there, and in new devices, if you purchase any new device, Wi-Fi 6 is available in coming new devices, maybe in flagship devices. So I thought I should get Wi-Fi 6 router, but I didn't purchase that because it was costly and it was not adding that much value even if I put that much money into that device. So after doing lot many research and searching for any other products and everything, I finalized one that is from TP-Link company, and it is written AC1200. Even though it is written AC1200, there are many more devices like from TP-Link. You will get confused with AC1200. If you want to buy this, you can get the link in the description. The model number for this device is C6. So you can see, don't get confused with AC1200. Look at this, Archer C6. Is it Archer? Yeah, right. So Archer C6 is the device name, and it's a gigabit. It has gigabit LAN port. So the speeds you will be getting are very good, and it is a dual band 4 antenna router. So dual band means it will run on 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. So maximum speed you can get on 5 GHz is 867 Mbps, and on 2.4 GHz you will get around 300 or something, 300 Mbps. And yeah, that's it. And it is a best seller product on Amazon, and review wise also I have seen many videos and everything. I have heard good about this router, so I am hoping that my internet speed will increase and my day-to-day work will be smoother compared to the earlier one. And if I want to talk about 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, so there is a difference. Like if you want to go for higher speed, then you can go for 5 GHz. So 5 GHz will provide you larger speed, but there is a downside to that. The range for 5 GHz is not as good as 2.4 GHz. As you move away from the router, the speed you will be getting on your device will reduce drastically. But if you go for 2.4 GHz, you will definitely get much lower speed on 2.4 GHz compared to 5 GHz. But as you move away from the router, you won't see that much declination in the speed when you will be using 2.4 GHz. And when we turn on this router, generally in older routers, when you turn it on and if you search through Wi-Fi on your device, maybe mobile or laptop, you will find one Wi-Fi connection, right? Wireless connection, whatever is the name of your SSID, we call it SSID. But if you use this kind of dual band routers, then instead of one, you can see two Wi-Fi connections, okay, through one device itself. And maybe if I give the name to my Wi-Fi as Akshay, then I'll see two connections. One will be like Akshay, another will be like Akshay 5GZ or 5G. So that 5G is not our mobile 5G, that represents 5 GHz band. So as per your need, if you are sitting near to the router, you can connect to 5 GHz. If you are sitting little bit away from the router, not far away, like you are in the range of 5 GHz, and then you can decide whether you should connect to the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Because depending on wherever you get better speed, you can try to connect on both connection. Wherever you will be getting better speed with stable connection, you can connect to that, and that will be good. So again, I'll taste this product, I'll tell you the review, how it is, whether it is good or not. I'll talk about that. I'll be unboxing this. I just showed you, I talked about this, but I didn't do unboxing, so I'll do the unboxing. So let's see what comes in the box. Okay, so you can see this come in the box. Is there anything? No, there is nothing. So this is the router. I think you can okay, you can set the antennas like this. I'll show you the ports. you get four ports, so you can connect 4 LAN cables, and you can connect those LAN cable to your device if you want to use wired connection, but I'll not suggest that. And whatever comes as a inline input line, that will be connected here. It is a power supply. This is power on off button, and these are all LED indications, and this is how this product looks. So it looks good, pretty good, some good texture and everything. It looks good, but maybe there is dust around your house or place where you will be using that, then this dust will be saturated over here, will be placed over here, but no solution. Right now it is looking good. So that's it. So let's see how's the performance of this and what other things come in the box. So again, one LAN cable came with it, some documentation, and one power supply device adapter. So that's it. All this comes into the box. I'll connect this and I'll see whether my internet connection improves or not. Hello guys, so I have connected that newly purchased router C6. The name of the router is Anker C6 once again. So basically, yeah, so I have connected the router, and I checked the internet speed and it is much more improved. I'll show you the screenshot over here, my upload and download speed. And I don't have screenshot for my older connection, that was around 40 Mbps at max. And if I move little bit away from the router, it was about 20 Mbps or 10 Mbps upload speed, or 15 Mbps 17 Mbps upload speed, and around 20 to 25 Mbps download speed when I am away from the router. And when I am near router, its speed was around 40 Mbps download speed or maybe 30 Mbps upload speed. But after connecting to this new router, my connection speeds are very well improved, uploading as well as download, and those will be shown in the screenshots on this screen. So that's it. I am very happy. Like, initial impressions are very good. In case if I face any challenge, any problem with this router, I'll definitely make another video for that. But otherwise, if everything goes well, then you can go with my words and you can purchase this router, and link will be given in the description. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Akshay Daga signing off.